Ooh, I was basically yeah. Measure about 2 bitches. Ooh. Easy dripping, got these nigga wet. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my head.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Welcome to my shower. So this is a really weird way for me to start a video, but I really wanted to get a first impressions of me using, I don't even have the product in front of me. That's stupid. I'm gonna be trying the Melanin Hair Care African Black Soap for the first time today, okay? Typically don't talk in my shower videos, but I wanted to get a first impressions of me using it, so we're here. If you already know, then you already know, but if you don't, let me put you on. So this is the latest product in Melanin Hair Care, which is a brand by Natural 85 or Whitney. She is an OG YouTuber. She is one of the reasons why I went natural. She's one of the reasons why many people went natural. She started her own hair care line a few years ago, and this is her new shampoo. I feel like we're all really excited about this because she does have a DIY black soap shampoo that she created on her channel years ago. And so for her to create a version for us to buy, it's pretty cool. It's not exactly like her DIY. Just looking at the ingredients, there are things that are different, but overall it sounds amazing. I'm not gonna sit here and bore y'all with the description. You can easily Google it or look it up. But let me tell you about what I like in a shampoo. So typically I like shampoos that clarify my hair. We all have our preferences. Some of us don't like clarifying, some of us do, some of us don't shampoo at all, some of us, you know, like hydrating shampoos. I'm the girl that likes my hair to feel squeaky clean, mostly because I don't have hair that tangles easily. I don't even have to pre-poo before shampooing my hair. So I really like when my hair feels clean because I just go in with the deep conditioner and immediately replenish the moisture that I lost. Because I have high porosity hair, it's very easy for me to restore moisture in my hair. Even though I haven't tried it yet, it seems like it's going to be a very clarifying shampoo, just giving up the fact that it is a black soap shampoo. Black soap is very, well, not very, but it can be stripping. It also has peppermint, rosemary, black cumin, turmeric. So if you have low porosity hair, or if you just don't like clarifying shampoos, I would probably suggest going in with a pre-poo before you use this. So it definitely claims to be a shampoo that is designed to cleanse your hair and scalp without stripping away moisture. So we're gonna test that now. I've already wet my hair. I'm gonna wet it actually a little bit more, just a little bit. So this is what it looks like up close. You can see it has a little nozzle. Typically, like, I don't like nozzles because first of all, I can't even get it off. Typically I don't really like nozzles like this just because it's like, where do I put it? But yeah, the nozzle is very precise, so it looks like it's gonna be easy to get down to your scalp even if you have the thickest of thickest hair. The consistency is kind of thick. I thought it was gonna be more watery than this. Most black soap shampoos are way more watery, so I'm kind of shocked. I do not have thick hair at all, so I'm just gonna take the product and just put it in my hair without the nozzle. Oh my goodness. So like immediately upon applying it, oh, by the way, my hair is very dirty right now. I had done a wash and go with wet line and the Jerry Curl juice stuff, so my hair definitely needs to be clarified. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it definitely has a good lather. The smell, it's giving me like earthy vibes. I mean, the ingredients are natural. You can definitely smell like the peppermint and the rosemary in it. I am like easily able to run my fingers through my hair, so it's not going to add extra tangles, which I love. Typically I don't detangle my hair with the shampoo, but I just love shampoos that don't, you know, add more tangles. Very easy to distribute. Like I'm just rubbing it through and it's so, it feels so good. Now obviously right now I can't tell if it's clarifying my hair yet, but the way it feels, it kind of feels oily. Like it feels like it's not going to leave my hair as clarified as I initially thought. I'm gonna keep scrubbing. Let me show you the back. It feels really nice on the hair. Oh my goodness. And I probably, that little bit that I used was actually a little bit too much. I could have went in with less because there's a huge lather. Also reading the label, I thought that I would feel the rosemary and the peppermint, but I don't like at all. And I've been scrubbing for a good minute now and I don't feel anything. I could be immune to it though because I used to use a lot of conditioners and shampoos that had that cooling effect, so I don't know, it might just be a little bit too light for me to feel, but I don't feel it at all. Okay, let's go ahead and rinse this out. Okay, so as I'm rinsing it out, definitely feels clarified. You know how your hair has that like squeaky type of feel? I feel it. But honestly, it's not as squeaky as I initially thought. I lied. Definitely, now that the product is all out of my hair, ooh, yeah, now I can barely rub my fingers through it. Okay, so let's talk about it. Y'all hear that? My hair is definitely squeaky clean, just like I thought. But if I'm comparing it to another favorite of mine, which is the Wasabi Shampoo from Lush, this actually does have sulfate in it, but I don't mind sulfate sometimes. Comparing it to that, it's definitely not as squeaky, but I feel like if I did go in with another cleanse, it would be even more clean. So I definitely do feel like it's a buildable type of cleanse. Like if you wash out one time and you feel like it's not clean enough, if you go in with it again, I feel like you'll definitely feel your hair a little bit cleaner. For me, just one cleanse was enough, especially considering my strands are so fine. So it's very easy. I still have shampoo in my hair. It's very easy for me to cleanse my hair because my strands are so fine. So yeah, this is definitely not a shampoo that you can just use and not deep condition afterwards. Like you cannot go in with just a regular conditioner after this. You need something heavy to replenish all that moisture. Again, I don't feel like it's an extremely obnoxious amount of clean. Like my hair feels squeaky. It feels like it got rid of all the product, but it doesn't feel like unnaturally clean, if that makes sense. I'm going to go ahead and deep condition with, I got options. I'm gonna deep condition with my fave, the Briogeo Be Gentle Be Kind Avocado and Kiwi deep conditioner. Then I'm gonna come back afterwards and I'm gonna show you guys how I moisturize my hair on days like this where I'm not styling it, because I'm not doing a whole style today. I'm just doing a maintenance day, which means wash, scalp, and moisture. I actually also have the Melanin hair care leave-in conditioner that I'm going to try for the first time, so BRB. Okay y'all, so I'm out the shower. Let's do a little recap. So you guys saw my immediate impression. It definitely has the clarification that I love. I'm truthfully not really picky with shampoos. Like as long as it cleanses my hair, it's fine. With that being said, I want to bring up the price points. So it is $19.99, but you do get 16.1 fluid ounces, which is a really good amount for a shampoo. On top of that, you have to take into consideration the ingredients are really good. They're high quality. There's no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no mineral oils. And I would say the ingredients are pretty unique. With the turmeric and the black cumin seed, I feel like the combination of ingredients are really nice. The texture was very rich. So, I mean, you're paying for a quality product. And although most people don't care about packaging, I care about packaging because I use a lot of different products. So, I mean, I like products that are aesthetically pleasing. And this one definitely is, on top of being functional. It's not like some cheap plastic. If you have thicker hair, this nozzle is going to be very, very helpful. I personally would say it's worth the price. Now, would I say it's accessible to everyone? No. I feel like this is only for somebody who, one, wants to spend the money or has the money, or two, cares about ingredients. If you don't care about ingredients and you don't really care to have like an experience, you just want to cleanse your hair, I mean, why spend the money on this, right? Me personally, you guys know I'm the self-care queen, so I will pay for experience. This is going to last a very long time. Now, it does have a 12-month life shelf. It has a 12-month shelf life, but I feel like this could literally last you a whole year if you let it. Don't need much product. It's 16 fluid ounces. I like it. I'm gonna keep using it. I'm going to put it back in my shower. I like it. So now we're actually going to also try the multi-use softening leave-in, which is not new, but it's new to me because I've never tried it before. Actually on the front, which I thought was such a cute little touch, it has its award from Naturally Curly. It's one of the best in Leaders in Curl from Naturally Curly, which Naturally Curly's award system is really big in the natural hair community. If you get on that list, that means you have a good product. So like I mentioned, I'm going to show you guys the routine that I do when I'm not styling my hair. I'm also really excited because I have a new product from Imania Beauty, which if you guys don't know, my girl Nia Imani, who is here on YouTube and she's also on Instagram, she just released her new High Maintenance Elixir, which is a multi-purpose hair and scalp oil. And it's really unique because it's filled with lots of herbs and it also is infused with 100 milligrams of CBD. So I'm basically going to use the leave-in on my hair, I'm going to use the oil on my scalp, and I'm also going to use the Main Choice Doesn't Get Much Better Than This hair dress. This is from their Alpha collection. This is like an OG product, and I'm going to use that to seal in all the moisture. So let's go ahead and take off this turban. My hair is like kind of dry now. I'm actually going to resaturate it before I put in the leave-in. My hair is high porosity, so it likes to be wet before products come to it. Okay, y'all, so here's the leave-in. I'm going to put some, ooh, she thick. Some of the main ingredients are baobab oil, turmeric oil, I said turnip oil, and pro vitamin B5, which my hair loves. We need strength around here. This can actually be used as a leave-in or rinse out. So she's multifunctional. Ooh, it has a really like light scent. It says it's moisture rich, designed to soften, moisturize, and help repair your hair. So she has the whole trifecta. I also really like the ingredient choice in this because it does have so many moisturizing ingredients and strengthening ingredients. My hair needs that. It also has wheat amino acids, which is a protein that helps to strengthen the hair. It also has argan oil, rosemary, it has aloe, of course the B5. So I can definitely see how this is a moisturizing and a strengthening product. It's really just gliding through my hair, so I'm liking it. If you have thicker hair than me, I don't know, you might not like this, because to me it's very lightweight. Like as I'm applying it to my hair, I feel like it's kind of just seeping in. Like I don't feel anything afterwards, which is not necessarily a bad thing. You want your products to seep into your hair, but it just feels like I need so much. I'm also not really picky with leave-in conditioners because I always just put a butter or something on top. So when it comes to leave-ins, I'm just looking for something that gives me a base hydration, something that's water-based, and then I seal it in with the butter afterwards. It's just a leave-in, so don't expect like curl definition out of this, but I like it. And I really like the ingredients, so I'm gonna keep using it. I mean, it's also huge at 16 fluid ounces. So now we're gonna go in with the scalp oil. Now I do not have all of the ingredients that are in this, but I know that it's infused with a lot of herbs and the CBD. It has like a green color, which I think is kind of cool. And I'm going to apply this directly to my scalp, but I'm also going to apply it to the lengths of my hair. I love when products like this have a little dropper, so I can easily just get it right on my scalp. Obviously this is my first time using it, so I can't really say, you know, what the results are, but today is September 11th, so I'm gonna keep using it and I'll let you guys know how my hair grows. Definitely check out the website and check out my girl Nia so you can learn more about it. I definitely gotta focus on the front because the hair in my front, I can't talk today. The hair in the front of my head just grows so slow. It kind of has like a peppermint scent, so I'm hoping that I feel that tingling sensation because I love that. But okay, so I just massage it into my scalp, and now I'm just, whatever is left over, I'm just gonna pull through my hair. I like that it's not really heavy because I hate oils that leave like a residue. Nia, you might have did something, girl. I'm liking it. Okay, so last but not least, if you have high porosity hair, you already know it's easy to moisturize, but it's also easy to lose moisture. So I decided to pick up this because I ran out of my favorite, which is the TGIN Moisture RX, I think it's called, or no, Repair RX. I ran out of it and I just wanted to try something new. Ooh, my scalp is tingling, yes. But yeah, I just wanted to try something new, so I picked this up because I opened it in the store, literally, and I was like, oh my god, it's a butter. It's so hard to come across these nowadays because most brands are only doing like curl defining creams or I don't know, these lightweight creams, and I like butters on my hair because it coats my fine strands and it just keeps in all that moisture, especially on days where I'm not styling it. But because it is so thick, I'm gonna need to section my hair off because I'm gonna need to get in there with it. Let's start with this little section. Okay, so I'm just taking like this much of the butter. I'm gonna kind of warm it up in my hands. Oh yes, honey, just what I thought. To me, the main choice is Alpha collection. Like their first collection is their best collection. You guys know I love the gel from that line, and now I'm about to start using this more often because I really like how it feels. I'm gonna go ahead and finish applying this to my hair, and I'll play some tunes and then I'll come back when I'm finished.
I got 5 on it, so grab your phone, let's get deep. I got 5. busy body, busy tonight. Joanna, making all the dummy tonight. Joanna, your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? Why you gonna do me like Joanna, Joanna? Hey Joanna.
Okay, y'all, so my hair is moisturized. I'm just gonna actually put my turban. This one's soaking wet. Let me get another one. JK, I don't have another one that's clean. I use these so much. But after this, I just like to put my turban back on just to absorb the excess water and moisture, because this is the nighttime. Typically do this at night. So I'll just leave this on for a little bit until my hair is dry enough for me to put my night scarf on. Oh my gosh, I am loving this combo. My scalp feels amazing. This butter definitely did my hair like all the goods. The Main Choice does a really good job with their ingredients. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried any of these products, if you plan to try them, what your thoughts are. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 300K. We are so close, so please make sure. Some of y'all I know are watching, or y'all be watching and y'all not subscribed. So what y'all doing? All right guys, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hopefully I will see you all in my next one.